How to see which post I liked on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to see which post that you have liked on the Instagram app, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my Instagram app. So when I'm in here, then I'm just going to find like a random photo that I'm going to like. So yeah, I can like this photo right here. So if I would like to find the history of all the photos that I have liked, this one included, then you have to follow along right now because I will show you exactly how to do this. You will need to go back to your profile. And now when you're on your profile on Instagram, then you need to click on these three lines in the top right corner. And now when you're in here, most of people click on settings, but you actually need to click where it says your activity. Perfect. When you're in here, then you need to click where it says interactions. Perfect. In here, just click where it says likes. And here you will be able to find all of the photos that you have liked on Instagram. As you can see, the one that I just liked before, it's here as well, as you can see. And yeah, I have a bunch of photos in here that I've liked before, as you can see. So there's like, yeah, I mean, there's a whole history. And if you want to find like a specific photo in a specific date, then just click where it says sort and filter. And then sort here. You can see start date, end date and stuff like that. And you can also sort by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. So I have it to newest to oldest because it's easier for me to find like the newest photos that I have liked. So yeah, that's why I have it basically. So this is exactly how to find which photos that you have liked on the Instagram app. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.